these aren't your typical side gigs. Forget Uber, forget freelance writing. These are fresh, unique opportunities that are getting big in 2025. Let's jump in. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel we share different videos about how to make money online and gain financial freedom. So if it's something that interests you, make sure that you click on the subscribe button below, like this video, leave comments below, and share this video with somebody. So if you are looking for side hustles that can help you earn some serious money in 2025 and beyond, you've come to the right place. Today we are going to be diving into 4 side hustles that are super underrated and can bring you in up to £900 a day or even more. These aren't your typical drive for Uber or start a blog ideas. These are unique, untapped side hustles that very few people are talking about. So grab a notebook and let us jump right in. All right, let's kick things off with digital product arbitrage. Now, you're probably wondering, what on earth is that? It's actually pretty simple. Digital product arbitrage is the process of buying digital assets like design templates, ebooks, or even stock photos and then reselling them for a profit. Now, think of it as flipping, but in the digital world. And the cool part, once you acquire the rights to resell these products, it becomes almost passive income. Here's how it works. You start by finding affordable but high quality digital products. There are websites like Creative Market and Envato, which are great places for you to buy and download these assets. For instance, you could buy a bundle of design templates for an ebook that's licensed for resale. Next, list these products on your own platform, like an Etsy shop, Shopify, or even a website that you own. Since you've already bought the rights, every time somebody buys it from you, it is pure profit. And you can mark up the price as much as you want based on the value that you are adding. This site also can bring in anywhere from $200 to $900 a day, depending on demand and how well you promote your store. And if you are really good at marketing, this site also can really scale up. You are not limited by inventory and there is no shipping involved, just high profit and little maintenance. Next up, we have AI consulting for small businesses. Now, this side hustle is perfect for anyone who is even a little tech savvy. With AI becoming so mainstream now, small businesses want to use these tools to grow, but they don't always know where to start. And that's where you come in. Here's how you can get started. Number 1, pick a few AI tools that small businesses can benefit from. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper for customer services and content creation, Canva for design, and even automated email software. Then, create a few basic packages, maybe one for marketing content, another one for customer support automation, and so on. Offer these as consulting services to small businesses who want to streamline their operations. Small businesses pay top dollar for consultants who can help them integrate these tools because they often lack the time or tech knowledge to set it up by themselves. Your services could be as simple as setting up these tools, creating templates, and training their staffs on how to use them. Charge them anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour, or better yet, offer monthly retainers for ongoing support, and that's when it really starts adding up. This is one of those side hustles where your income can really scale because you are solving a big pain point for businesses, and once they are set up, your role is low maintenance. All right, side hustle number 3 is social media automation service. Social media is crucial for businesses today, but let's be real, creating and scheduling content takes time. Ask me about it. Many small businesses and even influencers, they don't have time to keep up with it, and they are really willing to pay somebody to do it for them. You can create a social media automation service by using scheduling tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later. Now, with these tools, you can set up weeks of content in advance. Imagine the impact when you offer a done-for-you package that includes not only scheduling, but also researching hashtags, generating captions, and basic content creation. Really, many businesses are willing to pay between $200 and $500 per month for a streamlined, hands-off solution. So just think, once you set it up, it's hands-off, and you can handle multiple clients at once. Plus, if you're already familiar with social media trends, this can be a lot more fun and very profitable. And as your reputation grows, you could even raise your rates and add premium services like Instagram stories, reels, or TikTok videos editing. Now let's talk about flipping digital assets. That means buying and selling domain names, websites, or even social media handles. This side also is very underrated, but has a high earning potential if you know how to spot opportunities. Here is the lowdown. Sites like Flipper make it easy for you to buy undervalued websites, domains, or apps with the potential to sell them later for profit. The trick is knowing what to look for. For example, you can buy a domain name for a trendy term or niche, and as demand grows, so does its value. Or you can find a starter website that needs a few tweaks and a content strategy, then flip it for much more. Domains and starter websites often sell for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars once they gain traction. If you can spot a good deal, the return on investment can be huge. For instance, imagine buying a fitness-related domain name just before a new trend hits, then selling it for several times what you paid. This side also is all about timing and market knowledge, but once you get a hang of it, you could potentially pull in hundreds or even thousands of dollars in profit with just one sale. All the aforementioned are unique opportunities with a huge potential, especially for those of you who want to step away from the traditional side hustles and get creative. Let me know in the comment section which of the side hustles you are most excited to try, and if you like more in-depth guides on any of them, I'm happy to make it happen. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me comments below, let me know what your thoughts are, share this video with somebody, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Now, if you need more videos about making money online and being financially free, make sure that you check out these other videos showing on your screen. Are you tired of the same old affiliate programs and you're ready to explore options that can actually boost your income? In today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you 5 powerful alternatives to Digistem affiliate marketing that could actually bring you in $1,000 or more every month.